Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. We are in TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core, Lab 4.7.6, Troubleshoot DHCP1. My favorite labs, troubleshooting. Let's get started. You're the network technician for a small corporate network. The network is connected to the internet and uses DHCP for address assignments. The employees in the executive office and Office 2 report that their workstations can communicate with some computers on the network, but not on the internet. The IP addresses for the ISP and the internet is 198.28.2.254. That should be in the exhibits. The Corp DHCP server is a virtual server on the Corp server. Okay. It says right out of the gate, diagnose and fix the problem. Use the following troubleshooting tools to accomplish the task. We want to ping, IP config, and TestOut. Network sharing center. Okay. So we got a little bit of everything. So we are in Office 2, and Office 2 is one of the suspects. So let's go ahead and open up our window here, right click and go to PowerShell. And let's ping the ISP. Not working. Okay, so let's do IP config /all. Okay, so DHCP is enabled on this computer. DNS servers. Okay, let's look at our exhibits. To get to the internet, we're going to have to go through the building A router, which is our default router, 192.168.0.5. You know, I have that memorized, so when I saw this, I immediately knew that's why it can communicate within the subnet, probably with other computers, but not out onto the internet. Okay, so if we ping the exec, so as you can see, we can talk to computers within the subnet, but we can't get out. That's going to be the same over in the exec, but for this lab, we better do all that also. There's really no need to TestOut here because, well, let's do a TestOut. We already know that, what was that again? 198.28.2.254. We know that's going to bomb out because the ping didn't work. Okay, no big deal. Let's go to the exec and do the very same thing. And then we'll jump over to the IT admin and see if the internet's actually working. So let's open up our window here, PowerShell, and let's ping 198.28.2.254. It's not working. Okay, so next we'll do the IP config /all. If you notice, some labs just want you to do IP config and some do IP config all. I just do all right out of the gate. That way I know what I'm looking for here. Ethernet, the DHCP is configured. So we're getting a default gateway of 0.4, and we know that it's 0.5 on two different computers. So it's not the computer's fault. It's probably in the DHCP server. But let's just go check. Let's go into the Well, there's no IT admin here, but anyway, we'll go to Corp Server. And let's just see if we can get to the internet from here. Let's open up the PowerShell and ping 198.28.2.254. Yes, it did work. And let's do a trace cert. And you can see that that first hop is the default gateway of 05. So we need to fix that. We need to fix that here first, and then we can go back and check and make sure that we've got everything correct. So let's minimize this, and we know it's in the DHCP scope somewhere. So let's go to Corp Server and Corp DHCP. Come over here to Tools and DHCP. Let's see, can you see that okay? Give that a little bump. IPv4, scope options. So you can see right here that on the router, it's not correct. So let's double click on that. Let's open it up. Come down here. Let's remove this and change it to a 5. Add, apply, and OK. So now if we go back to the executive office, let's go there first. Well, we need to IP config /renew. And then IP config /all. And now our default gateway is correct. It looks like down here we are connected to the internet. Let's trace cert that just to be safe. And yes, that first hop is fixed. Let's go to Office 2. And let's do an IP config renew because it's not going to, we're still not connected down here, and that's because we still have the old address. Well, I guess I got to get in here first. All right, so everything's good. We are connected to the internet. Everything's working. We fixed the problem. We used all the tools and then some. Yep, renew. So let's check and see how we did. And there you have it, another successful TestOut lab. I hope this video helped you out with this troubleshooting lab. These are my favorite. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop me a comment and let me know how it worked out for you. Have a good day.